My Lord, they then tell you, and it comes to the question, therefore, that if it was manual, it was not based on the electronic transmission, were all the Form 34As transmitted to the National Tallying Center by the time of the declaration? To that, then, the answer, no. But they add, however, all of them were eventually transmitted after the declaration of the final result. And to that, then, it invites the necessary legal question that if at least 11,000 Form 34As were not at the National Tallying Center, on what basis did the chairman declare the results? And then the chairman says, my Lord, it was on the basis of Form 34B, as received from the Constituency Tallying Center. And then they add, my Lord, contrary to the law, seeking refuge in the minor care decision, that there is no obligation on the chairman to confirm that the results shown on 34B reflect the results on Form 34A. My Lord, that is contrary to the minor care decision. The care decision says the results as pronounced at the polling station is final, which means, my Lord, what the chairman must look at is Form 34A, and then check without varying that the entries match with 34B. Then he can proceed to declare. He did not do that in this case, by their own admission.
The law requires that it is the forms, the prescribed forms, are the ones which must be scanned and must be transmitted for purposes of verification and for purposes of accuracy and credibility. My Lord, I must end up by again saying this to your lordships and my ladies, that elections have winners and losers. Even in court, depending on the nature of the proceedings, there are winners or losers. But at the end of the day, the process is so important, as much as the result. So that even in judicial proceedings, people are interested in the process. And for that matter, therefore, my Lord, I invite your lordships and my ladies that the question of the process and how the electoral process as laid out in the law and in the regulations was carried out is an important responsibility and function of this court. And I want to finalize by saying that if a proper scrutiny is carried out as the court has ordered, if everything available that the court has added to be availed to this court is brought before the court, your lordships and my ladies will find out that this election was a shambolic election. And with that, I thank you, my lords and my ladies.